Well, talking about companies that are taking leadership roles in markets, kind of what piggybacking off of last week again, QuantumScape, kind of this leader in solid state battery technology. The stock is again, it's up, just like pretty much everything else right now. But there was some interesting news that a potential report from Volkswagen. Can you talk a little bit about that and what's going on there and how you're taking it?
Right. So QuantumScape, Volkswagen has been a big backer and investor in QuantumScape for a long time. They poured something like $300 million into the company over the course of 2 or 3 years. Volkswagen owns Porsche. And Porsche, there was a report that broke out of Germany yesterday that Porsche is going to integrate or is working with QuantumScape to integrate solid state batteries into its future electric cars, including an electric version of the super popular 911. So that's the news that broke yesterday. We view it as pretty important news because QuantumScape is in the process of, as we talked about last week, going from science project to disruptive commercial business. That transition requires partners, auto OEM partners, to test and integrate your batteries. QuantumScape continues to land those partnerships. Porsche is just another win for them that basically marks QuantumScape's ability to sell customers on the idea, auto OEMs on the idea, get them to test their batteries, and then hopefully down the road get them to integrate it. They're progressing on that path in a way that we would want to see them progress for a company that's at the stage that they're at currently. So we view it as a pretty big win for QuantumScape, not to mention this is Porsche we're talking about. Right? This is a luxury auto brand. They want to come to market with top of the line electric models. What's going to differentiate an electric car from a top of the line electric car from a Tesla or a Lucid or a Rivian? The differentiator may just be a solid state battery. And that seems to be the way that Porsche is playing this. They think that if they can come to market with an electric 911 that has a solid state battery, it's going to have significantly better performance than the Tesla or a Lucid or a Rivian, and it will allow that car to differentiate itself in what is an increasingly crowded luxury EV marketplace. And so we do think that over the next 3 to 5 years, as that luxury EV marketplace gets more and more crowded, solid state batteries will be seen by auto OEMs, by those luxury brands, as important differentiators in the marketplace, which will mean accelerated demand for QuantumScape's batteries. And accelerated demand means more revenues, more profits, and a higher stock price. So we really like the news that hit yesterday. Yeah, the stock's been performing incredibly well over the past 2 weeks, just like all hypergrowth tech stocks. We think that rally has legs. We think that there's a lot of momentum here. We think 2022 could be a really big year for them. 2023, an even bigger year. This growth story is ramping. It's time to hop on the train.
Thanks for watching HGI Clips. For the full episode, head on over to our sister channel at Hypergrowth Investing by clicking the link in the description or listen to the podcast on any of your favorite streaming platforms. We make new episodes every Wednesday, so make sure to check it out and subscribe to never miss any of Luke's Hypergrowth insights.